Listen carefully, because this might be the message that changes everything for you. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when things feel right, today, right now. You've been haven't you? Waiting for motivation, waiting for clarity, waiting for someone to believe in you. But let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. Nobody's coming. No one is going to knock on your door and hand you success. No one is going to wake you up at 5 a.m. and force you to chase your dreams. No one is going to fight your battles for you. And that's not bad news. That's your power. Because the moment you realize that you are responsible for everything in your life, your growth, your discipline, your future, that's the moment you become dangerous. You say you want success, but what are you doing when nobody's watching? You say you want to win, but are you willing to lose comfort, to lose sleep, to lose excuses, to lose the version of yourself that keeps holding you back? Because success is not built in comfort. It's built in the moments when you feel like quitting, and you don't. Let me ask you something. How many times have you started and stopped? How many ideas have you buried because you were afraid? How many opportunities did you miss because you doubted yourself? And how much longer are you going to keep doing that? Because time is not slowing down for you. Every day you hesitate, someone else is executing. Every day you procrastinate, someone else is improving. Every day you make excuses, someone else is becoming who you said you wanted to be. This is your wake-up call. You don't need more motivation. You need discipline. Because motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline shows up when you don't feel like it. Discipline works when you're tired. Discipline pushes when everything in you says stop. You have to become the kind of person who does it anyway. Tired? Do it anyway. Scared? Do it anyway. Uncertain? Do it anyway. Because your future is built on the things you do when you don't feel ready. And let's be real for a second. You're not stuck. You're not lost. You're not waiting for your time. You're avoiding the work. That's it. And once you accept that, everything changes. Because if you are the problem, you are also the solution. You owe it to yourself to try. Not halfway, not sometimes, not when it's convenient. All in, because the life you want, it requires a version of you that you haven't fully become yet. Oh, right. And that version of you wakes up earlier, works harder, thinks bigger, quits making excuses. Imagine this. 1 year from now, you either become the person you said you would be, or you're still stuck in the same place, with the same excuses, living the same life. Which one scares you more? Because regret hits harder than failure ever will. Failure teaches you. Failure builds you. Failure prepares you. But regret haunts you. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop doubting yourself. Start now. Start messy. Start scared. Start unprepared. Just start. Because at the end of the day, you don't owe the world anything, but you owe yourself everything.